So guys, something unusual happened to my channel, like the revenue aspect. I've been so worried, I've been surprised, like I've been shocked. I'm still waiting to see if there's going to be a rebound or something like that. Like this is very uncommon. I've never experienced it on my channel, like on my revenue aspect, since I got monetized. That is why I said let me come up here to share it with you guys. So please, if you know an answer to it, please do well to tell me in the comment section. And also, I believe a lot of persons here have been monetized, or you have experienced monetization before and you've been cashing out here on YouTube. So if you know what could actually cause this particular thing, please, I am going to be present in the comment section. Please, I need help me out in the comments. Let me know if this particular thing is going to bounce back or if it's going to remain like that. So without much being said, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe, like this particular video and share it so that it can get to a whole lot much more people. Okay, and at the ending of this video, I'm going to be telling us one important thing that as a YouTuber you need to make sure you pay much more focus to. Yes, because believe me when I say we don't know it all here on YouTube. And I'm going to be dropping some advice for us towards the ending of this video, and also how you can be able to make higher revenue should in case you are experiencing low revenue right now. I'm going to be looking at a secret on how you can be able to get higher revenue. Okay, so without more being said, let's just get straight to the point. Let me tell you what this whole thing is all about. Though I'm going to be taking you through a screen record which I'm going to be placing on the screen right now to show you this particular thing. But before we even get to that, what actually happened is that for the first time in history, like you all know that CPM and RPM are different. Like CPM is the cost per what advertisers are going to pay you on YouTube. Like advertisers can decide to pay you like $10, and YouTube might decide to pay you back like $5 or $6 or 7. It depends. And that YouTube paying you now is your RPM, is known as RPM, revenue per 1,000 view. That is what YouTube will pay you. So but for this my video, like I don't really understand, like it's upside down. That is why I said I'm going to be taking you guys through right now with the aid of a screen record. And please, I need your help on this particular thing. If you don't know it, just do well to help me share this video so that it can get to maybe bigger YouTubers who is going to help me out, because I'm still scared that this thing might actually bounce back. So without much being said, let me just go straight into the screen recording right now. I'm going to be doing that with this my other phone. As you can see, this is my channel, so I'm going to be taking you guys through on it, and I'll be dropping it on the screen. So guys, this is the video here, and I'm going to be taking you guys through the analysis of this particular video for us to be able to understand what I'm saying. So this is the video. I shot this video on February 11, which I think is 2 days ago. Yes, the day before yesterday. And so far so good. This video has gotten 1.1k views, and you can see that the impression click-through rate itself is even 6.3, which means like it's somehow poor, though the average view duration is quite okay. Like this video is more like a personal story, my YouTube growth here so far. That was what I did in this video, just like that. And it's not even long. This is just 11 minutes video. Guys, I know why I am mentioning all these things, so that you'll be able to know what I'm talking about and where I'm going to. So looking at the overview of this video, this is the overview, this is the reach, this is how well this video has performed, like no promotion at all. This is how viewers find this video, no single promotion. Wow, this video has 13.4k impression. So this is the engagement of the video, 62.9 watch hours since I uploaded it. This is the average view duration, 3 minutes, and this is the audience of the video. Now guys, these are the audience. Like Nigeria itself is even 26%. It's not even that UK is even higher, so it's mainly Nigerian viewers. So I'm still surprised, how can this be real? Now let's go straight to where I want us to see and what I want us to exactly check out. It's in the revenue aspect. Guys, this video has generated me $5.05, which is not normal, like which is unusual. And this $5 is only for 692 views. So imagine getting $5 on a, let's just approximate it to 700 views. Imagine getting $5 for 700 views. Like, I've had couples of 1,000 views on my channel, which are $2, highest $3. But I'm surprised that this particular video have $5 per one per have $5 for just 700 views. And now look at the revenue per 1k view of this particular video. The revenue is $7.29. So this is not where the issue is. So now guys, look at how much advertisers are paying for this video. Advertisers are paying $4.12. Like, this is the first time I am experiencing this particular thing. Even my most ever viral video that have 100k views currently, I think advertisers are paying me $11 and YouTube is paying me $5 for that video. But look at this video, advertisers are paying just $4 and I am receiving $7, almost times two. Okay guys, so I saw something that actually brought my attention. I saw how you make money, which is estimated since published. Supers and gifts 72%, and watch page ads are 28%. These watch page ads are those ads that have been popping up on the screen. I believe as I'm watching this video, some ads might have popped up. So that is what we mean by this watch page ads. But this supers and gifts is for if you gift me. I've gone through the comment section of this particular video. You all can still go back to the video and help me check. This is the video here. Just help me to go and check. Maybe I'm not seeing it, because I'm still wondering, could it be that somebody gifted me and deleted the comments, or could it be that somebody gifted me and I didn't see it? Like, I'm really worried. If I say I'm not worried, I must be lying, because this video just hit 1.1k views as of right now while filming this video. So I don't know if by evening if it's going to rhyme back, which I'm praying it shouldn't, because like we all know that for a couple of time, in fact since this January, um advertisers have been paying really low compared to December. CPM was very high. Some of my CPM were $60, some were $58, but YouTube will reduce it and give you like $7, $9, $6. I can remember that I shared it with us here on my channel. So but for this January and February pay, it has been really low. And me waking up to this morning, I've been thinking, I'm still surprised. So if you know what could actually be the cause, or maybe, yes, for those of us that know YouTube much more better than I do, because it's just my 6 months here, and whatever I share here is just from the little knowledge I've been able to to get here. That is from my experience and some learning that I've done outside. So if you know that you might have an answer to this particular thing now, please do well to drop it in the comment section. And maybe you might have encountered this particular thing. Please help out a sister, Biko, because hey, I'm still shocked. And I don't know if this is going to bounce back. I don't know if it's going to bounce back or it's going to maintain this $7.29. And I don't know if I should be filming a video once it gets to 1k views tonight. Maybe I should be filming a video tomorrow to let you guys know the latest updates. Because guys, if YouTube can keep to this particular thing, we are all going to make money. For those of us that is monetized, you know what I'm talking about. And for you out there that you're not yet monetized, I think this video now should be a motivation for you to start working harder. Don't rush and go and use Restream to get monetized. You won't be able to get these beautiful results. Like as I used to say, it only takes God grace on your side. Those people that use Restream to monetize their channel and luckily had some viral videos, they are lucky. But I've heard cases of people that use Restream and they are no longer doing well. That is in a case whereby you have not built your audience yet. Like you only have like 500 subscribers and you are still struggling with getting 300 views on your channel or 200 views, you are thinking of doing restream, please and please remove that thinking from your mind and grow your channel genuinely the right way. Nothing like, even said it's this particular thing also applies to real life. Shortcut doesn't really pay. Yes, I know that some things, sometimes you have to take the bull by its horn and try to cut some ways short in life, but if you check it out, it's not always the best. So please make sure you know what you're doing here in order for you to get a very good revenue, because won't you like it when you're monetized and at the end of a month you are earning like $500 or $400? But for people who use Restream to get monetized, they keep on struggling to even get $100 in a month, which is not actually good, because it will look like you're pushing out videos and nobody is watching you. Just make sure that you keep on uploading content that people are going to watch, and content that you know that are going to resonate with your audience, and let it be engaging content, quality content that people can easily resonate with. Any niche at all you are, look for things trending in your niche and also hop on it. I think this particular way is going to really save you a lot of stress, and you will see that once you are able to hit that monetization, you will be able to make money. And also, if you're looking for a way to get watch hours fast, try live streaming. Live stream, the last live stream that I did there fetched me 43 watch hours. It was just 2 hours, 2 hours live stream, though I know it was because some people spent much more time with me on the live. You can as well try to get people, or if you have friends in your school or in your house area, like 10 friends, just tell them, I'm coming on live, oh, you guys should come and join me. Let us talk about one or two different things. They're going to help you make that live, like, because what determines your high watch hour on a live stream is the average view duration per person. So if they're spending much more time with you on that live stream, you're going to get high watch hour. There are so many ways for you to beat this watch hour thing, because I believe that that is one of the most difficult things to achieve here on YouTube. For subscribers, you can always post shorts. Like, let's just assume that you've gotten your 4,000 watch hour and you're looking for subscribers. Just go ahead and upload like close to 6 7 shots, you get that subscribers. But for watch hour, you have to do it the right, that is, you have to build your audience, because you can't get watch hours from shorts. So all I'm trying to say, all the same, as a beginner here on YouTube, or you've been here on YouTube and you're thinking of giving up, only do restream if you've gathered that audience. Per videos you're seeing like 1,000 views, 2,000 views, yes, and you're still struggling to get that your 4,000 watch hours, you can try restream. But if you are just a new person here, it's not advisable, because YouTube is going to pay you per views. Imagine getting 300 views, 400 views back to back. You're not going to really make that money, and it will look like other people are like cashing out well, and you are struggling. So guys, please, that is just what I have for you guys. And please don't forget my question. I just asked a question that has been bothering me, because I don't want this revenue to drop. I don't want it to drop. I'm still surprised. Like, imagine 700 views, and I'm getting $5. Hey guys, if you have experienced this, just drop it in the comment section. I am going to upload this video right now so that you guys will start telling me your ideas. All right, so for you to make money, like make much more revenue here on YouTube, all you need to do is to just keep on uploading videos, quality videos. Okay, upload, yeah, upload back to back. That is if you're monetized, but don't get your subscribers burnt out. Yes, don't suffocate us with too much video. At least once a day is quite cool. Once in 2 days, it's quite cool. Okay, and make sure that each video you upload, the next one that you're bringing up is of high quality. Okay, all right, guys. So see you in the comment section, and bye, and see you in my next video. Okay. Mwah.